Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 18-inch chainsaws that are available on the market right now. Whether you're a homeowner tackling some weekend yard work or a professional looking for a reliable chainsaw, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so let's dive right in. At number 4, we have the Husqvarna 445 gas chainsaw, a powerful 50cc gas-powered machine designed for serious cutting tasks. Featuring a 2.8 horsepower X-Torque engine, this chainsaw delivers impressive power while reducing harmful emissions by up to 60% and improving fuel efficiency by 20%. The Smart Start feature makes it easy to fire up, even for those new to gas chainsaws. And the inertia-activated chain brake provides an extra layer of safety during operation. The Husqvarna 445 stands out with its ergonomic design. Weighing just 11.2 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for its category, and the low-vibe technology significantly reduces vibrations, making it easier to handle for extended periods. The air injection system is another highlight, as it prevents larger debris from clogging the air filter, which extends the life of the engine. This chainsaw is perfect for heavy-duty cutting tasks, whether it's trimming large branches or cutting firewood. However, the Husqvarna does come with a higher level of maintenance since it's a gas-powered model. You'll need to clean the air filter regularly and ensure proper fuel and oil mixtures. It's also worth noting that the price isn't listed, which may make it harder to assess its value compared to competitors. But based on its build quality and performance, this is an excellent choice for professionals or homeowners who need a reliable, powerful machine for large-scale work. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Greenworks 80V 18-inch brushless cordless chainsaw. This is a battery-powered beast that features an impressive brushless motor, delivering 2 times more torque for longer runtime and quieter operation. With an 18-inch bar and chain, this chainsaw is perfect for tasks like tree felling, pruning, and cutting firewood. On a single charge, it provides up to 150 cuts on 4x4 lumber, which is comparable to a 42cc gas chainsaw. What sets the Greenworks apart is its convenience. The push-button start eliminates the hassle of pull cords, and since it's battery-powered, there's no gas, fumes, or spark plugs to worry about. The automatic oiler ensures proper chain lubrication, reducing wear and extending the chainsaw's lifespan. At just 2.05 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. Though the battery does add some weight when installed. The main downside is its price, which isn't listed but is likely higher than corded electric models. Additionally, while the battery life is impressive, you'll need to recharge or have a backup battery for extended jobs. Overall, this chainsaw is a fantastic option for homeowners or professionals who prioritize convenience, eco-friendliness, and power without the maintenance of a gas-powered model. At number 2, we have the Wen electric chainsaw, 15-amp, 18-inch, 4118, our budget-friendly pick at just $82.83. This chainsaw features a 15-amp motor that drives the chain at an impressive speed of 48 feet per second, making it a solid choice for light to medium-duty tasks. Its lightweight design minimizes fatigue during operation. And it comes equipped with key safety features like a kickback brake and tool-free chain tensioning. One of the standout features of the Wen chainsaw is its auto-oiling system, which ensures continuous lubrication for the chain and bar, helping to extend their lifespan. The unit also comes with a protective sheath for safe storage. At 13.97 pounds, it's heavier than some of the other electric models, but it's still manageable for most users. This chainsaw is ideal for homeowners looking to trim branches or cut small logs without breaking the bank. On the downside, the Wen chainsaw lacks some of the premium features found in higher-end models, like self-sharpening or high torque. Additionally, while the build quality is decent, it may not hold up as well under heavy continuous use. Still, for its price, this chainsaw offers excellent value, making it a top choice for anyone on a budget. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy cutting.